The 2026 Nissan Rogue Plug-In Hybrid is here, but let's be real, it's basically a Mitsubishi Outlander with a badge swap. This is a classic stopgap measure to fill a hole in the US lineup until the real e-Power system arrives in 2027. Under the hood, it grabs the Outlander's DNA entirely, pairing a 2.4-liter engine with two electric motors for 248 horsepower. It hits 0 to 60 in a respectable 6.6 seconds and offers about 38 miles of EV range. But make no mistake, you are buying a temporary solution that might be obsolete in just a year. Inside, the copy-paste job continues. The interior is virtually identical to the Mitsubishi, keeping that rare but incredibly cramped third row that's really only fit for small kids. It's only available in the expensive SL and Platinum trims, trying to distract you with leather and a moonroof while sticking you with an older, smaller 9-inch infotainment screen. It feels like a lazy effort where even the buttons scream Mitsubishi. The real deal breaker, though, is daily usability. Nissan stripped out DC fast charging, meaning you're stuck waiting 7.5 hours on a level 2 charger to fill up, way too slow for a 2026 model. On top of that, the 26 mpg fuel economy is mediocre compared to rivals like the RAV4 or CR-V, and there are reports of annoying motor whining and pedal vibrations. It just doesn't deliver the efficiency or refinement you'd expect at this price point. Costing around US $50,000, this Rogue is a niche product that looks outdated from the moment it's released. Unless you're eagerly awaiting the top-of-the-line 2027 model, it's hard to justify buying this clone instead of the original Mitsubishi or its competitors from Honda and Toyota. If you liked the video, click the like button and leave a comment. Would you buy this temporary solution or wait for the original model?